Hi, welcome everyone. This is Matthew Cox. Today, I'm going to be reviewing some of the best electric kettles. After doing research, I found some electric kettles that are truly the best on the market right now. I've embedded the links to the products in the video description so that you can check them. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Hamilton Beach Stainless Steel Electric Kettle. The Hamilton Beach Stainless Steel Electric Kettle has a large 1.7-liter capacity, that's 10 cups of tea, 1,500 watts of power, and sturdy build quality. Other key features of the small appliance include a concealed heating element, a drip-free spout, and a handy water level window. There are two colors to pick from. Tefal Balanced Living Electric Kettle. This cool-looking electric kettle by Tefal has a variable temperature control which allows users to find the perfect setting for their favorite tea. It has a 1-liter capacity and 1,750 watts of power. The latter allows you to boil a cup of water in only 90 seconds. KitchenAid KEK 1222P Electric Kettle. The KEK 1222PT Electric Kettle by KitchenAid is available in a variety of eye-catching colors that suit its retro looks quite well. It has a 1.2-liter capacity, smooth aluminum handle, and a limescale filter. A convenient LED on-off switch is also on board.